If you're watching this video, then you probably consider yourself pretty knowledgeable when it comes to the cosmos. You've probably learned all there is to know about our solar system, and maybe you've expanded your knowledge to other galaxies and stars. But have you ever considered looking into the myriad of exoplanets out there? If you think you know everything about them, then prepare to be proven wrong. Because today, we'll be covering 10 of the most mind-blowing facts about exoplanets that will expand your knowledge of these strange alien worlds. Number 1. Over 5,000 confirmed The very first exoplanet was discovered in 1992 around a pulsar. Since then, astronomers have found thousands of planets outside of our solar system. As of February 2020, according to NASA, over 5,000 exoplanets have been verified by scientists, and considering that there are countless stars out there, this number is bound to increase exponentially in the coming years. Astronomers are now discovering new worlds almost every week. In fact, the first 5 months of 2020 saw the discovery of 43 new two suns? Most exoplanets orbit a single star, but some worlds are fortunate enough to have not one but two suns in their sky. A binary star system means that two stars orbit each other instead of just one. And planets can orbit either star or both. This means that inhabitants of such worlds get to enjoy not one but two spectacular sunsets every day, although the temperature must vary wildly between the two sides. Worlds like this include WASP-33b and WASP-36b, which orbit two solar-type stars. These worlds aren't too different from Tatooine from Star Wars, which also had two suns. However, unlike Tatooine, WASP-33b and WISP-36b receive scorching heat from their two suns. Number 3. Planet of Glass. While exploring astronomers were shocked to discover a world that rains glass sideways at 9 kilometers per hour. The planet is called HD 189733b, and it orbits a star located 63 light-years from Earth. What makes this planet so unique is its weather. HD 189733b has sideways winds that can reach 4,000 miles per hour. That's about 18 times faster than the fastest hurricanes that have ever hit Earth. All this wind blows blown glass sideways at terrifying speed. This glass is molten and searing hot. No human could survive on such a planet. No. 4. Diamond Planet. If you love precious gems, then you'll definitely want to pay a visit to the exoplanet known as Concrete E. Scientists believe that this world is mostly made up of carbon. This means that anywhere on the planet, there's a good chance you'll find diamonds bigger than grizzly bears. The pressure and temperature on the planet's surface are perfect for growing massive diamonds. This isn't just a theory either. Scientists have actually detected diamonds raining down on the planet's surface. All this carbon and diamond is due to the presence of a star close to the planet. The star's gravity pulls hydrogen and helium from nearby, causing a massive carbon deposit on the planet's surface. No. 5. Rogue planets. Unlike most exoplanets, there are some worlds that don't revolve around any star at all. Instead, they just float in the darkness of space. Such planets are called rogue planets, and no one really knows how common they are. Astronomers believe that these worlds have been kicked out of their planetary systems. Due to gravitational disturbances caused by another big celestial body, these worlds spend an eternity in darkness and cold. Because they don't orbit stars, rogues can wander into interstellar space and possibly collide with other worlds. No! 6. Lava World. Now, take a look at this image. This is what the surface of the planet Kepler-10b looks like. And no, it's not a digital art. It's a real exoplanet. As far as we know, Kepler-10b is entirely covered in molten lava. The planet orbits a star located 500 light-years away from Earth, and it's twice the size of our world. But while Earth has oceans, lakes, and rivers of water, Kepler-10b is entirely made of burning magma. Temperatures on the planet reach 4,300 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt any object that lands on the surface. Number 7. Super-Earths. When talking about exoplanets, the term super-Earth is often used. These are worlds that are larger than Earth, but smaller than Neptune. and they're mostly rocky like our world. While some super-Earths might be gas giants like Neptune, most are solid objects similar to Earth. As such, they could potentially support life. In fact, some astronomers believe that these exoplanets are better suited for life than our own world. Why? Because while Earth's core is mostly made of iron, many super-Earths have a higher percentage of oxygen, silicon, and magnesium. This makes them more suitable for harboring life. Some examples of famous super-Earths include the planet Gliese 1002b, which is believed to be 4 times more massive than Earth. Then there's the planet HD 189,733c, which is 7 times larger than our world. Both of these exoplanets lie in the habitable zone of their respective stars, making them potential homes for alien life. No. 8. Water worlds. Have you ever wondered if there is a planet somewhere out there that's entirely covered in water? Well, wonder no more, because scientists have already found several. These planets are called water worlds, and they're even more mysterious than they sound. For instance, scientists have found a water world that's 14 times larger than Earth's oceans. This planet is called WASP 39b, and it orbits a star located 700 light-years from Earth. How do astronomers know that this planet is covered in water? Well, it all has to do with its mass. WASP 39b has a mass 8 times that of Earth. This means that the planet is extremely dense. Given its size, it's likely that WASP 39b is made entirely of water. That's why scientists call it a water world. No! 9. TRAPPIST-1 system. The TRAPPIST-1 system consists of a red dwarf star and 7 exoplanets. 3 of these planets are located in the habitable zone of the star and could theoretically support life. What's even more fascinating is that the 7 planets are tightly packed together. Scientists believe that these worlds were formed from the same disk of dust and gas. Because they're so close to each other, these planets could help us better understand the process of planet formation. Not only that, but these exoplanets also help scientists better understand the atmospheres of alien worlds. Using the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers can analyze the atmosphere of these worlds to see if they contain essential elements for life, such as oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide. Finding life elsewhere in the universe has always been humanity's biggest dream. And thanks to the TRAPPIST-1 system, we're closer to that goal than ever before. Number 10, Earth 2.0. According to NASA, there's a planet out there that's almost exactly like Earth. This exoplanet is called Kepler for 4b, and it's located 1,200 light-years from Earth. It's slightly larger than our world, but its mass and gravity are almost identical to Earth. What's even more interesting is that the planet receives the right amount of sunlight, which makes it habitable. NASA's telescopes are constantly searching for more Earth-like exoplanets. It's only a matter of time before we find a true duplicate of our world. If that happens, then it means humanity will have a backup home should something happen to our planet. Until that happens, though, we'll continue to search the skies for signs of life on planets like TRAPPIST-1d, which is one of the 3 Earth-sized planets orbiting the TRAPPIST-1 star. The planet lies in the habitable zone of the star, and it is believed to have an ocean and a possible magnetic field. All of this makes it a prime candidate for hosting alien life. Which planet from this list would you love to visit? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.